Okay, in this training, I'll be showing you how you can tight one of these hardwares to the wall so that you will now begin to tight the glass on top of it. So it's for the purpose of recording. I have installed it here before, but I want to reinstall it so that you can learn how to do it, okay? So that's why I loosed everything up, and I want to show you how I did it so you can master it and make it. You can use it to make money. You can install it for clients, for customers, and as an installer you use it and make good amount of money. So I'll be choosing this slot that I've drilled through before, this, and this one. So I use hammer and punch this through, and also slot this. Okay, so we can go ahead and screw everything to the wall, especially this bracket. So we can use this bolt to screw it to the wall, and likewise this. So we're using spanner, ring spanner 13. As you can see, it's going through. Make sure as you are doing it is vertical. So as you can see, it's very tight, very tight. It's very tight now, okay? Very okay. So what we're going to do now is to put in one of these glasses, okay? So this is the 4 places we're going to tight against these 4 places, okay? That's the 4 places we're going to tight. So because of that, we're going to use this one. So you put it like this. Hope you are seeing it like this. You can either put it this way or you turn it this way, whichever one you like. If you put it this way, the decoders will be resting like this, and you have this as a space. You have this as a space. So, but let me choose this position. I can now, first of all, you put it this way. Use your, bring another one. Do it the same way. Put it in here. Use your hand and guide it first before you use your screwdriver to screw it up. When you guide it to relatively tight, before you now turn it up, you turn this one upside. As you can see, it has even stand. So bring out another one, put it right there, you tighten it up. Bring another one, put it the same way, insert it here, you tighten it up. So after that, you turn it upside position. As you can see, we are finished installing these 2 and this other 2, okay? So what else we are going to do is to now put the glass number 1. Before putting this glass, you first of all put the downside on before you put the upper side. So you can just drop it on top of it. Use the bolt to tighten it up. Use the second one. Position the perforated place. Then use your screw tighten it up. Okay, this is okay. This first glass is okay. Come to the second one, the same way. You now position it. So we are good with the installation. So everything concerning this setup is okay now. So you can place your DVD here, you can place your DSTV here, or Go TV, whatever your choice is. So this is how to do DVD shelf installation. This is how to do it in a proper way, and it will be okay. If you like this video, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And also, if you have any comments, go down below, leave us a comment and we'll get back to you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.